I'm Sana Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. I think I'm waiting for the excitement because right now I'm just nervous and I have lots and lots of butterflies in my stomach. But of course I'm excited because it's my first step towards something I've always wanted to do. So that's exciting, and I just hope, I'm praying that I hope that all the audiences and all you guys love Isha as much as I loved her when I read her character. All my family and friends are always going to say that, oh, we loved you and you look great. But I think what was really great was that I was walking and then somebody was like, they were actually calling me Gulabo, which I was really happy about, and it feels good, when someone from outside can relate to you as your character, and I think that's something I really love. It was very difficult. I think that they both are such amazing actors and they've done such great body of work. But then to add on the fact that they're your family, because I think every child wants to prove themselves to their family the most, you want your family to be proud of the work that you're doing. And you carry their name. I carry the Kapoor name on my shoulders, so I think I have to live up to it. So it was a very nerve-wracking, intimidating process, but eventually I think it was a lot of fun because I really loved the work that I was doing. And honestly, I've said this, that being on a set for me is like being at home. I think that's the one place I'm most comfortable in the world. I learn a lot from my dad in the way that I see that he is different in every character that he plays, and he puts in a lot of hard work into each thing, and he works on it, and he gets into it and reads this. So I think I want to take that from him, the amount of dedication and hard work that he puts into each character that comes his way. And I think my mom is just so naturally amazing. She goes on screen and she lights the screen up and she doesn't have to do anything and still is amazing. So I want to take that from her. The camera loves her, and I wish that the camera loves me too. And I think from my brother, I want to take his hard work, because he has worked really hard to reach where he has. He's seen a lot and he's still kept going, and I think I want to learn that from him. Me and Isha are similar in certain aspects and very different in the others, because she's really sweet and really kind, and she takes everything. I'd written this as one of my notes, that Isha is the kind of character who takes everything with a pinch of sweet. She sees everything in a more positive light, and she's also the kind of person that will let people say things to her today and she might get hurt by it and then forget about it tomorrow. I don't think I'm very much like that. I don't think I can just let people say things to me and then just forget about it. I think I keep them more. It affects me more. So I don't know. I think we're different and similar together. I think Isha is there in everyone. I think there's a little bit of Isha in everyone. I think he's influenced my life a lot. He's brought me up. I've grown up on watching him, learning from him. So I think I am very influenced by the work that he's done, and especially because I wanted to do the same thing that he's always done. So I've always listened and tried to, imbibe whatever he's saying. And I think being on set with him was just scary. It was really, really scary, and I remember that most of the times when he was with me in a scene or something, my hands and my feet were freezing, and I was so nervous. And that's what I remember most. And there's a lot of pressure, I think, because people also have high expectations from you, and to share screen space with someone who's so good at what they do is anyways a scary thing. I managed by relying on Isha. I just kept remembering, okay, you are Isha, you're not Sana. Your dad is not a great actor, your dad is just a normal guy. Remember that, and I think that helped. It's so funny because I assisted my dad on Mausam. I was his DA, and I remember we worked with such an amazing crew. So one of the crew members told me that, you should be a director, you have a knack for it. And I was like, no, I only want to act, and I've always only wanted to act. And I think for me, it's about, the writer and the director, they write this product. The writer writes it and the director visions, it's his vision. And I think all I've ever wanted to do is take that vision and make it into a reality. So that's what it's always been. So it's only acting. But you never know, futuristically, things always change. I hope so. I'm also expecting, I'm trying every single day saying, Dad, let's do something. But, he loves acting, so he wants to do that for now. And then let's see how it goes. I would love to work with him as a director and just work with my family. Now, I think it would be easier, hopefully.